Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on QNT. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big breakout from this huge down channel, and on the daily time frame chart, QNT is rejected by this resistance of an up channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup that I shared with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal setup that I shared 2 days ago. That is a Garley move, a bullish Garley setup that QNT has formed on the daily time frame chart. And before this, I also shared another harmonic bullish reversal Garley setup with my members on this candlestick on 15th of September 2022. Not 2022, that was 2021 by the way. And I told my members that from here we can expect some more drop in order to complete this final leg of the Garley. And once the price line will be entered here, then we can expect that it can start the next reversal move, and after hitting after that it can reach the sell targets on here. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line dropped more down and completed this final leg of the Garley here. And as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Garley move, it moved up, and after hitting the sell target zone again moved down. And this is the most recent idea that I have shared 2 days ago. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is still moving here, and our potential reversal zone is, by the way, from $158 and goes to $139.10. So I'm expecting that soon it will complete this final leg. You can see it is very close to complete this final leg, and then it can start the next reversal move to the upside. Now if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, then here QNT was moving inside a very long-term down channel. We broke it out here on this weekly candlestick that was opened on 4th of July. And from this low to this high, that was, by the way, more than 460%, very massive pump. But here we have a very strong resistance zone that starts from $155 and goes to $190. Previously, when it was working as a resistance here, you can see for 1, 2, 3, and 4 weeks, it was working as a strong resistance. Then for several weeks, it has been working as a strong support. And after breaking it down, you can see since after 17th of January, it is still working as a strong resistance zone. But at the same time, you can see while breaking out this channel, QNT has also broken out the resistance of this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Therefore, I'm expecting that this time it will break out this resistance zone very soon. And if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then our target can be here, that is approximately at $420. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see that QNT is moving inside this very long-term up channel. And I was telling you that there is a double hidden bullish divergence that is still there. You can see that the price line formed this low here, and the next low is getting formed higher low than the previous low. And here you can see that stochastic form lower than previous low, and even RSI is also forming lower than previous low. So there is a hidden bullish divergence, a double hidden bullish divergence by stochastic and RSI as well. Therefore, we can expect that it will not break down this channel, and I'm not even expecting that it will move more down to test the support of this channel as well. At the same time, if I there's some trend lines here, then you can see it has also found a resistance here and a support here. And this is the formation of a falling wedge pattern that is a bullish path pattern that is more visible, by the way, on the 4-hour time frame chart. Now we are on the 4-hour, and you can see it is rejected by the resistance. Maybe it will again test the support, and when it will test the support of this wedge, at that time this Garley move will be also completed. This bullish reversal setup will be completed, and then we can expect that it will start the next reversal move from here. And I'm expecting that it can also break out this resistance of the wedge as well. By the way, once it will be able to break out the resistance of this wedge, then our target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $195. In that situation, it can also break out this strong resistance line that we have at $190 on this weekly time frame chart. And by the way, our final target for this Bitget down channel after this breakout, and this move is still due. that is approximately at $420. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.